little boys yesterday, my friends today, my sons forever. Never forget that I am proud of you today, tomorrow and forever. Never forget how much I love you. As you grow older, you will face many challenges in life. Just do your best. I want you to remember you are never alone in this world. One of the greatest gifts I've ever been given is you. I want you to believe deep down in your hearts that you are capable of achieving anything you put your mind to. And you will never lose. You either win or you learn. I can't promise to be here for the rest of my life, as tomorrow is never promised. But I can promise to love you the rest of my life. Reach for the skies, because they are the limit. You will forever be the heroes in my eyes. Being able to be a present father in your life is the biggest blessing I've ever been given the chance to have. And now forever, carry that with me and be by your side. Never let anyone tell you that you can't do something you're capable of doing. The world is a scary place, but I believe you will do great things in this life. I can't wait to see who each of you will become one day. Cherish the memories you make in this world. Hold on to them forever and never let go. I closed my eyes for a minute, and suddenly little men stood where a boy once was. You went from crying in a crib to running around on your own. Growing up fast, you are strong, you are brave, and most of all,